How to use WeChat Wallet without Chinese bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your WeChat account and as you tap on login, you can get the option of more option at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on more option, then select on help center. Now, as you tap on Help Center, you can see three options over here. You can select on Send Feedback. Here you need to choose your platform, such as which device you have, or the region, which is your country. So you can choose your country over here. So I'm just selecting my country by scrolling down. Then select on the category of what kind of issue I have. And then you can also describe your issue in the description box. So you can just type, I am not able to use the WeChat wallet as I don't have Chinese bank account. You can also upload the screenshot of your issue that you're having. So just tap on upload screenshot and you can just choose from your album or you can click with the camera. Now down there you update your WeChat account or and email ID to get the support team of the WeChat account to contact you. And you can also add as many details as you want in the description as well. So there are certain requirements to open account with a Chinese bank account. So you have to have a password or national ID. You have to have a valid phone number to receive the OTP. You also have to have MasterCard or Visa card of your country. And you have to have a person with a WeChat wallet or account, and the team will contact you in a very short time. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.